I've got nothing but a spinning rod with me. I've got I think it's a 1/4 ounce rooster tail tied on, and I've got my tackle bag. I've got 2 hours to fish, and I'm gonna try and catch some smallmouth. I'm at a river. Oh, and hey, look, there's a bunch of bird poop. If you're wondering, why is my line orange? That's because this is trilene transoptic monofilament, and I ran out of 8 and 10 pound test fluorocarbon. I don't have any braid to do braid to a fluorocarbon leader either. So basically I just threw this monofilament on there, and that is what I have. It's not the ideal line, but it's what I have to work with. And I'm just gonna kind of make casts as I go at different spots. The target is smallmouth bass, but it's Michigan. I could catch pike or walleye, and that's just great. Every time I try to make a fishing video, the phone rings. I'm gonna walk over the bridge, make a few casts down there. I might try the dam, and if that doesn't work, then I'm gonna walk down this way and fish that way, and hopefully I'll link up with a fish or two. It's gonna get loud in a second. All right, the water over here looks a lot clearer, excuse me, than it did back there. So you know what that means, right? Oh, I'm hooked up. What the heck? I caught a fish. Oh, put my rod down. My first smallmouth bass of the year. A dink. But you know what? Still a beautiful fish. Sweet, I caught one. Oh, come on, buddy. There it goes. On the rooster tail with the spinning rod. What the heck? Let's get back out there. Oh, I got another one. That feels like a better fish. That feels like a good fish. Ooh, what it? That's a fat smallmouth. Look at that beautiful fish. The red eye and the color. All right, buddy. That's so awesome. Let's get him back in the water. I'm gonna make another cast or two, and then I'm gonna keep heading down that way. I've got 2 fish. That's definitely the way to start a work day. Well, before work, I should say. God, that smallmouth fought hard. I mean, nothing huge, but he fought. Be nice to catch a couple more. These fish are beautiful. I actually, you know, I haven't caught one since last year. Sweet. Put my bag down. Fish. Fish. Dink, but a fish. Still trying to fight. Well, it was definitely worth it to wake up and go fishing today. Fish. Another fish. No, that was a smallmouth bass. Yeah, and I got another one. Just a little guy, but yeah, yeah. Another dinky smallmouth, but hey, I'll take it. It's 4 fish. You know what? I'm gonna head back this way. Thought I had one. Wait, what? Did I just catch a, I just caught, I believe that's a zebra mussel. And zebra mussels at a lot of lakes up here in the north and in Michigan, they're considered bad. They're considered, I'm pretty sure they're considered bad, but they help. I do know that when there's zebra mussels in a lake, they will clear up the water and make it gin clear. Let's walk down to the next spot.
Cascades, I know they're out there in the river.
Yeah, I've up until today, I've never caught a fish in these cascades.
That's what I thought, you know, 'cause I see a lot of engines out there. That's the smallmouth bass are here.
Yeah.
The river's vibrant.
Yeah. Where at? You caught a muskie by the dam?
This big.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice one.
We got to put it on YouTube and everything.
That's what I do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, he released it. He didn't keep it.
Oh, I release all my fish.
Oh, yeah.
No, duck, don't chase my bait. Oh yeah. Thanks, man. Let's hit the next spot. Today's been a great day so far. Oh, a pike just smoked it. Oh, a pike just crushed it. Oh, he's swimming at me. Oh. What the? Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Okay, I gotta grab my tooth. No, he broke off. No, I just broke off my rooster tail.
Crap. No. What the heck? This is awesome. I gotta see if I have another one of those rooster tails. I guess if you use these in a river, it'll work. All right, let's get this garbage cleaned up. Switched it up, or excuse me, I've changed it back to the same rooster tail. Rooster tail. What the heck that I had on before. See if we can't catch another fish. Oh, that pike break off that was an idiot move. That was operator error. Didn't even think that he frayed my line. Went to grab him and broke the line, but hey, that's fishing. Oh, hit it right there. No, I lost him. That was a nice smallmouth. Crap.
Oh, hit it right there. No, I lost him. That was a nice smallmouth. Crap.
Man, that's 2 fish that I lost now. Oh, that was a bad cast. That just went right into the rocks. All right, I gotta start heading back. So, or actually, you know what? Do I have to start heading back? Now, I am gonna head back for sure. Whoa! Bird just flew right in front of me. Just a little guy, but it's a fish. Yes. Man, you know, for being so small, I will tell you that these smallmouth fight really hard. I know some of you guys on Instagram and on here have said you've never caught a smallmouth or you've never caught one. If you ever get a chance to come to the Midwest, and fish the Midwest or go to the North, do it, because these fish are amazing. They don't get as big as largemouth, but they fight 2 and 3 times as hard as a largemouth. All right, I'm back to the first spot where I caught the first fish of the day. Make a few casts here, and then I'm done. Fish. That feels like a better fish. Oh, it's just a little guy, but he got stuck in that current and he jumped. Oh no! Fish, no, I'm sorry. There we go. Okay. I didn't mean to drop you, buddy. There we go. I thought it was a better fish, but what happened is he was fighting through that current. Okay, time to go walk to the car. That is gonna be it for me for the day. Thank you for watching today's episode. I gotta go, I have to go to work. I had a good day. I caught, I don't know, 6 fish. I missed 2. Nothing huge, but I had a great time. I'll see you guys.